Hello everyone, it's Cine Select, so get your popcorn and let's get right into it. 2025 has a strong selection of must-watch shows that include heart-pounding action, mind-bending science fiction, heart-filled dramas, and memorable thrillers. Whether you are looking for a dramatic espionage story, an alternate reality adventure, or a new spin on historical events, this year's titles are full of surprises. From prominent adaptation to unique storytelling that will keep you fish to your skin, these are the greatest new TV shows of 2025 that should be on your watch list. Number 8. The Telemesa, The Secret Order. It is a supernatural spy thriller television series created by John Lee Hancock, based on the Vampire Chronicles by Anne Rice. The series centers on the Telemasca, a secret society responsible for monitoring, investigation, and restraining witches, vampires, and other magical creatures. The narrative centers on a guy Anatole, a law school graduate who gets enlisted to Telemasca after learning that he has been under their supervision since he was a little boy. Drawn into this hidden world, he discovers his own unique talents and becomes entangled in the Telemasca's complex internal dynamics as they face a major security breach at their London headquarters. The show strives for a more sinister, stranger tone and blends supernatural fantasy with elements of a spy thriller. Number 7. The Last Frontier. It is a thriller drama television series created by John Brokenkamp for Apple TV+. The show centers on Frank Ramnick, a US Marshal in rugged remote Alaska whose jurisdiction is thrown into chaos when a prison transport plane crashes, releasing dangerous inmates into the wilderness, forcing him to protect his town and investigate the mysterious crash while dealing with the harsh Alaskan environment and the fugitive inmates. As Ramnick struggled to preserve his territory and determine whether the collision was something more than an accident, the story focuses on survival, suspense, conspiracies, and moral issues in the space of solitude. With 10 episode storylines, solid ensemble, and ambitious production goals, The Last Frontier looks to be one of the most intriguing thrillers of 2025. Number 6. Nero the Assassin. It is a period drama miniseries directed by Ludovic Colba and Alan Mordwit. The story takes place in the 16th century France and follows a ruthless assassin Nero who is betrayed by his master, leading him to go on the run with his arranged newly discovered daughter, Piera, as they face deadly enemies and must navigate a path between vengeance and redemption, forcing him to choose between his own survival or his daughter's safety and potentially the fate of the world. The show explores themes of vengeance and redemption as Nero embarks on his journey with his daughter, and he is compelled to make a difficult choice that will impact not only himself and his daughter but potentially the entire world. Nero the Assassin is a historical drama with elements of action. Number 5 is Dark Materials. It is a fantasy drama television series written by Jack Thorne set in a multi-world reality with the action moving from one world to another. The series is based on Philip Pullman's trilogy of the same name and opens in an alternative world where all human souls manifest as animal companions called demons. The story follows the life of a young girl named Lyra, an orphan living with the scholars at Jordan College, Oxford. In a world governed by the magisterium, a religious and political body, Lyra discovers a dangerous secret that involves Lord Ezreal and Marisa Coulter and is the subject of a witch's prophecy that she will change the world, which also links Lyra's destiny to Will Prairie, a teenager from the conventional world who is himself being pursued by figures connected to the longest father. Season 3 follows Lyra and Will on their most perilous journey yet to save both their worlds from the impending war against the authority. Number 4. Agatha All Along. It is a fantasy superhero television miniseries created by Jack Schaffer based on Marvel Comics, featuring the character Agatha Harkness 3 years after being trapped under a magical spell in the town of Westview, New Jersey. It is a fantasy superhero television miniseries created by Jack Schaffer based on Marvel Comics, featuring the character Agatha Harkness 3 years after being trapped under a magical spell in the town of Westview, New Jersey. The story picks up sometime after the events of WandaVision and follows the witch Agatha Harkness, played by Catherine Hahn, who escaped with the help of a mysterious teenager who wishes to face the trials of the legendary witches through a magical gauntlet set to grant travelers what they desire most. Along the way, tension rises within the group as secret and hidden motives threaten to derail their quest. If you like the show WandaVision, this series is for you. Number 3. Interview with the Vampire. It is a gothic fantasy horror series developed by Ronald Jones for AMC. Based on the Vampire Chronicles by Anne Rice, the plot follows the life story of Louis Denoir Toulet, a crippled man in 90s New Orleans who becomes a vampire at the hands of Lestat de Leonor, as told to a modern-day journalist named Daniel Malloy. The series chronicles their complex and abusive relationship, the addition of the teenage vampire Claudia, and the resulting decades-long quest for revenge and answer across the globe. The narrative is told through a series of interviews that take place in the present day, which are interspersed with flashbacks to the past. Number 2. Lock and Key. It is a fantasy drama television series developed by Kylan Hughes, Mildred Averin, and Oren Ely Corrick, based on the comic book series of the same name by Joey Hill. The plot centers on three siblings who, after their father is murdered, moved into the ancestral home, the Key House, where they discover magical keys that unlock various powers and secrets. Their exploration awakes a demonic presence that was imprisoned by none as Toz, a demon that is determined to acquire that keys and their powers to carry out its own malevolent plans. As the Lock children explore the keys, they must learn to control the powers of the keys and protect themselves from the demon, and also have to deal with the ordinary challenge of life in a new town. Lock and Key explore how past events and trauma can be passed down through generations and how the Lock family must confront their history to break the cycle. Number 1. Fallen. It is a romantic fantasy television series based on the 2009 novel of the same name by Lauren Kay. The plot centers on Lucinda Price, a teen sent to Sword Cross Reform School after a suspicious death, where she becomes entangled in a love triangle with two mysterious boys, Daniel and Cam, who are fallen angels who have been in love with her for centuries and are on opposite sides of celestial war. That's it for today. Please subscribe to my channel to see more videos about movies and series suggestions. Thank you.